Logging into the Chrome browser and syncing your data will give you access to your bookmarks, extensions, saved passwords, and a whole lot more. It will also give you access to the 917 bookmark folder. This has links to sites we use frequently at 917, like the Instructional Resource Center, Professional Learning, Perform, FastBridge, etc. To sync your data, first make sure you're logged into Chrome. If you are, you'll see your Google account image in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that image and make sure that you can see Sync is on. If Sync isn't on, click on Sync, which will then take you to Settings here. And instead of where it says Turn Off, you'll be able to turn Sync on. You even have the opportunity to manage what you sync. So maybe you don't want to sync all your passwords on this particular device. You could go in here and you could turn passwords off if you didn't want to sync that. And to turn any of these off, you just need to click on Customize Sync, which then makes these active, and you could turn passwords off, or any of the other things in this list. If you aren't logged into Chrome, it'll look more like this, where you have this generic person icon up next to the address bar. So just click on that, and then under Other Profiles, if you don't see your Google account listed, click on the ad at the very bottom. Now it's going to ask you to set up your new Chrome profile. So go ahead and just say sign in, and then enter your email address and password. Now you're going to get another message just reminding you that your account is managed by ISD 917, and that's fine, so you can go ahead and click Next. Now's the part where you can go ahead and choose to turn Sync on. You also have the opportunity to customize the color of your profile, and then you can click Done. After a little bit of time, you'll start to see all your bookmarks appear, as well as all your extensions. And if we go over to the left, we can see our 917 bookmark folder, which has some of those frequently used sites there: Instructional Resource Center, Professional Learning, Perform, FastBridge, Destiny, and so on. Now you can enjoy easy access to your bookmarks and other essentials.